Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy is Promo, and today we're going to take a look at the Galaxy S20 here at Unpacked, but more specifically, taking a look at a brand new shooting mode that is called Single Take. Single Take allows you to capture the moment. You're able to have it saved as videos and photos, and it does it specifically for you automatically. So for example, let's say that you wanted to capture this moment right here. It will save it as a video that is up to 9 seconds long, and then it'll give you other options. It'll give you different filters, it's going to give you boomerang, and it's also going to give you hyperlapse. So if you would like to see all the different images that it just got done taken, you can save it, you can share it. This is the original image that we just got done taking a picture of, but it also saved it as a video. Now underneath here, you can go down, you have this one that it looks like fast motion. Here is your black and white scale. Here's another different filter that you can use, and really kind of go down, and right over here, you got a little boomerang action going on. So you can just take one moment, one capture, 9 seconds, and it's going to do all the work for you. Now, I was told that you are able to have all the way up to 10 images that would be saved. It's all done by AI, and up to 4 videos. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like that video, then more than likely you'll like the other video on the other side. And I'll see you guys later.